Hey everyone, it's Andrew with ShelfAware. I got to shoot a real quick video because my crew is actually leaving me behind. We just wrapped up a install in Great Bend, Kansas, and we're taking off. It's Saturday afternoon. We're in a factory called Great Bend Industries. They make custom hydraulic cylinders. I wanted to shoot this quick video to illustrate not only the go-live process, but what we're going to do for this consumer as far as time savings and automation. Because I got great case study information from these guys. They, on an average year, cut about 500 POs for this supply chain. That's 2,500 PO lines. They shoot about 3,000 emails concerning those POs to manage those POs every year. 3,000 emails. They're spending about 2,000 hours to manage the supply chain. That's just the consumer side. So the supplier wins in this scenario too because they get all the automated data. So you put it all together, I mean, you're talking 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 hours a year to manage this particular supply chain. Automating it with, again, simple RFID tags embedded in the product packaging. Once we track the consumption data over these 650 SKUs, they get the right parts when they need them. They keep just what they need on the shelf, nothing more. It's a really slick process. We accomplished the whole go live, which means repackaging all this inventory into intelligent package labels. We did it all in about 12 hours. So spend 12 hours to save 3,000. Not a bad investment. And we got in and out of here on a weekend, so we didn't really have to shut their place down or really bother them at all. And we got our simple checkout station installed. Here it is. Brand new stainless steel backboard. Looks cool, more industrial. This is where they grab what they need, pop it across the table, look for the light to flash. Oops, get my angle right. Look for the light to flash, boom. Walk out the door, go back out in the facility, go back to work. So if you're out there and you got a complicated supply chain with lots of little inventory SKUs, I mean, I'm talking penny parts, fasteners, hose, fittings, seals, rivets, call me. We got cool solutions for you. They're inexpensive. The ROI is instant. We're spending 12 hours to save 3,000. Man, it's just so good. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. I got to get out of here before my guys kill me. They're hungry. We got to go to lunch. Talk to you guys later. Bye.